what I was showing in that video was like lining the input shaft into the throwout bearing and then pulling it in. I was showing how the forks is a hydraulic clutch, how the forks need to go out over the throwout bearing, and then I was using those big channel locks to kind of pull it in, and then keeping the flywheel housing and the bell housing lined up, you know, and then I was spinning the input shaft to show how I got it lined up and free, and the less binding you have and the straighter and squared up that thing is, the easier it'll go in. So yeah, that was the point of the video. That's what I wanted to show.